Click the subscribe button and press the bell notification. Boom!
What's up, guys? Welcome to Andrew Boy Hacks for You. Okay, I know it's been how many weeks now I haven't posted? 2 weeks. It's still good. You can forgive me for that. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a hack. What's the hack gonna be now? The hack is gonna be about computers. About how to hack, remote control any computer from any location. Like, you have to be within the range of the computer you wanna remote control. So this hack is gonna show you how to do that, and also how to add like a spy. You know what I mean? It's gonna be working with the government, you know? You're like the secret spy for the government. Well, how's that possible? Okay, you gotta stay tuned to this video to know how that is possible. Intro.
So first up, you gotta get the laptop out of the computer you wanna hack. You gotta make sure that you're far away from the person that you're trying to prank or you're trying to hack. So first up, you gotta go download TeamViewer in this person's computer. As you can see, that's TeamViewer there. I just downloaded it right now. So get TeamViewer going, and now you're gonna get your hacking game on, because you're gonna remote control this computer right now. I wanna show you guys. So first up, get your phone out. Then download TeamViewer from the Play Store. Just go straight to Play Store, type TeamViewer. Then as you can see, I've already downloaded it. So I get this TeamViewer, and also get, you can open it or get this quick support, because it's really helpful when you want to control your phone with your laptop, either way around. But we're focusing on remote controlling the computer, so we go straight to TeamViewer, open it. Now, as you can see, it's open right now, and just read the write-ups they have for you, because it's really important to know what it's gonna do. And we're gonna be using the remote access control in the TeamViewer, so just access the remote control. Good. Then make sure you're connected to the same network as the computer you want to hack remote control. So open up TeamViewer in your laptop or the computer that you want to hack, person's computer you want to hack. Then as you can see, you have the password and also the username. Because this password and username is what you're going to use to control the computer, because you're going to be secretly doing it, so you don't want the person to know. So just secretly get this password and the username. There you can see it. This is the password, this is the username. Both of them usually change during any session. If you want to hack the person's computer now, change the next time you want to use it. So remote control. First, now the ID. Type in the ID first. Type in the ID. Once you type in the ID, connect to it. Then now you need to type in the password, and you have to be fast before the person come get you and know that you're about to hack his computer. So type in the password, and I think you're good to go. Good. Now you connected to the person's computer, and you should hide those two bars there, so the person wouldn't know that TeamViewer is actually on. That's a way of making the person believe that you're not controlling his computer, and his computer is in a good state. Now you can see the way you can control the person's computer with your fingers, because it's an Android phone. So now it's connected. You can put it on landscape mode, and you'll be able to control every part of the computer from the. As you can see, everything on the computer is now on the phone. So check out all of them; they're all the same. So you can open up any app or any software on the phone and control it in the laptop. The person wouldn't know that you're controlling it. You just be controlling them, deceiving the person. Yeah. So as you can see, it's working now. I'm opening up my tabs, checking out all of them. And if the person is using this computer and you're far away from the person wouldn't believe it, and you'd be shocked. This computer is controlling itself. It'd be so weird. Now you can see what the computer can do, my phone can do with the computer. Just check it out. I just opened the files now. I can watch anything. I can activate anything I have on my computer here. I can even watch videos too. I'll be watching a video and the person Oh, my laptop is controlling itself. Oh. Yeah, as you can see, 1080p, the resolution of the movie's still fresh in the phone. You can see what you can do with the shortcuts too, from the start, app commands, charm, all those things. Then you can see the actions you can control or delete. You can lock the computer, you can reboot it. You can also block remote user inputs. You can do all these actions to the computer just far away. And you can also check out the session settings. Good. And you can check out all the things you can do with it. Session settings will actually show you the resolution and all the things you can do and control with the phone, and how the phone is actually compatible with the laptop or the computer you're hacking.
Thank you for watching today's video. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe. If you're new to my channel, you have to hit that button. Subscribe. There it is. You have to press it, man. Press the button and give me joy, man. Press the button. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and share the videos with your friends, because please share the video. It's really important. And share your mind and your thoughts about the video down in the comments. Check me out on Instagram, AndroidBoy47, man. That's actually my name on Instagram. And on Facebook, you gotta check my Facebook page. Link is in the description below as AndroidBoy for you, for you, like you. So yeah, check the description below to check out the link for the team viewer, the link for the other ones, and download the app is in the description below. Download it in the link. Just check them. They're all there. All packages right below this video. All of them are there for you, man. So I'll catch you guys later. See you next Thursday. Thank you. Then God bless you. Ooh.